Hi guys, David here again from Reviews for Dummies. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product called Cash Smash. Now Cash Smash is a pandemic-proof cash-on-demand system that can help newbies cash in on internet marketing. Also today the Dummies have put together a group of great bonuses that are for free, so when you click on the link down below you'll be taken to our bonus page. And just a quick rundown of the bonuses before we get into what Cash Smash is all about. Okay, so bonus number 1 is a 3-in-1 email marketing app. So it will assist you with the training that Cash Smash will give you. Bonus number 2 is ClickBank Mastery Course, learning how to master ClickBank. Bonus number 3 is Jono's 3 best traffic sources, so that you can drive customers to your offers. Bonus number 4 is Access Goodwill. Now Goodwill is a program that you can give away. Like any Goodwill, it will drive people to your site where you can collect them and you can build your list to offer, future offers. And then of course bonus number 4 is the vendor bonuses. So getting into what Cash Smash is all about. Cash Smash, as it says here, is a pandemic proof. This is their sales page. Actually, if you click on this, there's a bit of a rap video there that's quite amusing to watch. But basically, this is your normal sales page. It goes through a few testimonials, etc. We'll just go down to what it will do for you. So you can click any of these buttons and it'll take you through to purchase this product. And like I said, our bonuses expire on Tuesday at midnight. So basically it can help you in many ways. There's several different training tutorials in Cash Smash that will teach you different options to make money on the internet. So what I'll do is I'll just show you in the members area. This is the members area. So there's the usual welcome, and then there's these 7 different methods that they go through full tutorials on. So the first one being flipping domains. They show you the ins and outs of buying a cheap domain and then flipping it for a higher price and making money that way. So it goes through where you can find high value domains, where you can sell them, and all of that. So that's method number 1. Method number 2 is launch jacking. Now launch jacking is getting in with the affiliates, joint venturing with them to or becoming an affiliate with the creator, and basically helping launch the product before it's out there. So this goes through all the steps: how to set it up, how to get your links approved, how to create your bonuses and your bonus pages, doing a review, and then your bonus delivery system. So that's launch jacking. Method number 3 is Fiverr. Now I'm sure you're aware of Fiverr, and basically Fiverr is a platform where you can basically employ anything, anyone to do anything. So this shows you how to set up a niche within Fiverr, and using Canva to set up your pages and your applications, creating your gig on Fiverr, and then a wrap up on Fiverr. But it goes through everything on how to set it up and how to market yourself on Fiverr. Method number 4 is Quora. Now Quora is a question and answer site you probably would have used, and this is how you can make profits using Quora. So it goes through, once again, there's tutorials on setting up, answering questions on Quora to drive traffic to your site, finding the right questions to answer that were going to suit your niche, monetizing Quora, how you can make money from it, and then a recap of all of that. So that's method number 4. Method number 5 is the actual product creation, where you create your own product, and then it goes through how to pick the right product, how to create the product, do the sales material, how to recruit affiliates, how to put it up on the likes of Warrior Plus or JB Zoo and get other affiliates to sell your product for you. Method number 6 is doing online surveys. It just goes into a bit of an intro on online surveys and the top choices, their top choices that they've used to make money using online surveys. And finally, method number 7 is an introduction to doing reviews. Basically, like this review on products, can be a review on any product, high ticket items, so they go through all of that. There's also upgrades to the system at different levels, but I'll go through the upgrade buy-ins later. And so you've got 7 additional methods, the full Fiverr course, a masterclass, and reseller rights. And then you've got their exclusive bonuses, basically a tutorial on how you can earn $500 from simple YouTube videos. So that's the course basically. If we just go back to the bonus page again and give you an idea of the price. So basically the front end for Cash Smash is only $12.95. So that gives you all the 7 training modules, and they're quite extensive. Upsell number 1 gives you a further 7 methods to supercharge your earnings and get you making money a lot quicker. Upsell number 2, which is $47, and it shows you exactly how to do Fiverr. So it adds on to the initial course. So this full Fiverr Rocket course is a program that was sold on its own, and it's sold, I think, was a couple of $100 on its own. Upsell number 3 is a one-to-one superstar consultation. So it's actually from the creator of the Fiverr Rocket program, and they'll go through it and devote their time to help you to set yourself up and launch yourself on Fiverr. And then upsell number 4, for $97 you have the full resale rights to all of the products at all the levels and collect 100% of the sales income. So some of the key points is they're methods that are tried and true. No experience or skills are needed. They're up to date to 2021 with the latest algorithms sorted in. It's an unlimited market, easy to follow training, and you can get results the same day. So there's a full money back guarantee. You can click on the link below. As I say, you go to the sales page, you can have a look at the full review, and you can have a look at the demo video, the wrap video. Click on any of these yellow links, it'll take you to the page, and as I say, you've got until midnight on Tuesday the 17th to take advantage of these bonuses. So we thank you for watching this review. Click on the link below, click the subscribe button and give it a like, and then you can get any future videos, reviews on products that we will be reviewing in the next couple of weeks. Once again, thank you for your time, and we'll see you on the next video.